So it's the end of the era in India's skies. After serving the nation for more than 6 decades, the legendary Russian origin MiG-21 fighter jets are ready for their final goodbye. The Indian Air Force pilots took their last sorties in Bikaner ahead of the official farewell next month. Now, the Indian Air Force's MiG-21 fighter jets made their final operational flights at the Nal Air Force Station in Bikaner on the 18th and the 19th of August. This a month ahead of the formal retirement ceremony that is to be held in Chandigarh on the 26th of September, marking a significant and an important and necessary shift in India's military aviation history. The MiG-21s served as the backbone of the IAF's combat fleet, one of the 6 fighter jets flown by IAF since 1963. The MiG-21s, known as the workhorse of the Indian Air Force for several decades, had entered service in 1963 on a trial basis, a year after India purchased them from the then Soviet Union. The supersonic fighter jets were India's first combat aircraft of non-Western origin, and they went on to become the asset of the IAF from 1970 until the middle of the 2000s, till the Su-30 MKI was then pressed into action. The MiG-21s are designed to operate in all weather and carry out a wide variety of air-to-ground munitions in an attack role. The supersonic fighter jet, which has a top speed of about 2,175 kilometers per hour, operates on this can operate at an altitude of about 58,000 feet, allowing high altitude interception. The jet also has a range of at least 370 kilometers with functional roles including a supersonic interceptor, air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground weapons, and even cannons. Now, as far as its war legacy is concerned, the MiG-21 was first tested in the 1965 Indo-Pak War. MiG-21 played a major role during the 1971 war with Pakistan, dropping about 500-kilogram bombs on the Pakistani air bases. It also saw the first ever encounter between the MiG-21 and Pakistan's F-104A, with India dominating the skies. The jet returned to action during the 1999 Kargil War, flying some daring high-altitude strike missions against enemy positions. But aging technology and also a high accident rate, which claimed the lives of over 200 pilots and 60 civilians, is now prompted for a shift to modern fighters like the Tejas and the Rafale. The final squadron will retire on the 26th of September in Chandigarh, ending an unforgettable chapter in India's aviation history.